kid got aboard the potty train.
Pulling out our rug squares. Well, aren't you two the little helper bees? I almost forgot it was nap time! Nap time, everyone!
You're gonna take a permanent nap.
No. Miss Olive, I was thinking, naps are very healthy for growing bodies, but so is vitamin D. And what better source of vitamin D than the warming rays of a solar eclipse? Curse you, semi-elliptical orbit! You know, we need music. Okay, everybody, on your feet.
Our nap time song. That's a gold star for you on your first date. Okay, everyone, resting places. You too.
Yes, your final resting place.
Let's all close our eyes and take the Cloud Ferry to Sleepy Time Island. When we go night-night, there's no light. Aren't for little hands.
Huh?
Okay. I think someone needs a time out. Come along, mister. You're going to spend nap time in the gingerbread house.
You mean me? In there, all alone, the whole time? Well, if you think it's best. Well, Marcia, looks like you messed with the wrong cupboard. Huh. Marcia was here. Marcia is here. Ah! Marcia! How did you get in here so fast?
I said poopy.
That's it?
I got priors.
Marcia, stay back. I'm warning you. You can almost cut paper. Ah! Help! Help, anyone!
I really want this moment. During every nap time, nothing is going to stop me from getting my revenge. Ow! Oh, the bunny dance! My favorite!
Well, don't let me kick you.
Bunnies!
Well, rabbit feet go hop, hop, hop. Rabbit ears go pop, pop, pop. Give your nose a wiggle. Give your tail a jiggle. Do the bunny dance.
There, boy! This way! Huh? Come on! Before the song ends!
So long, Marcia. Send me a postcard if they teach you capital letters.
Curse you, fanboy!
Oh, now that's what I call arts and crafts.
I call it airplane I made out of ice cream sticks.
Nice.